Hey, good morning, guys. Just here sitting down on the ground having some coffee. One thing I encourage in my new book, Minimalist Leanness, is to spend time on the ground in various sitting positions, which is fantastic for opening up the hips and counteracting all the sitting many people tend to do in modern day life. You might have a desk job, you might even be hunched over. So spending some time on the ground, even just a few minutes most days, can be fantastic for opening up your hips. One thing I like to do is practice two skills at the same time: mobility and the guitar, something I'm not very good at, but it's a lot of fun. I might try playing a segment here from an old classic song from a British group. Let's see if you can figure out the name of the song or the group. Of course, it would help if I could play it well, but we'll have a little fun. We'll give it a go.